Hey, it's Alex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Stocksavers inventory and operations template. A simple and powerful Excel tool that's going to help you regain control of your stock, reduce waste, and free up cash in your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use each section of the spreadsheet to track, analyze, and optimize your inventory, even if you're not a numbers person. What this means for your business is that you'll be able to make smarter decisions with data, reduce those frustrating stockouts and overstocks, and finally see where your cash is getting stuck. And stick around till the end because I've got something very special that I'd like to offer you. It's going to make implementing all of this much easier. Let's start with the first sheet, the cycle count log. This is where you track the accuracy of your stock on hand. Every time you do a stock take, whether that's weekly, monthly, or quarterly, record the date, the SKU, and the location. Then input what your system says versus what you physically counted. The spreadsheet automatically calculates the variance and accuracy percentage, showing you instantly how reliable your inventory data really is. Why does this matter? Because inaccurate stock data leads to bad decisions, wrong reorders, missed sales, and frustrated customers. Once you start tracking this, you can identify which areas or products consistently have the biggest discrepancies. And that's where your process improvements start. Next up is the pain point log. Think of this as your operational diary. Every time something goes wrong, a late delivery, a picking error, a system glitch, write it here. Over time, you'll start seeing patterns. Maybe one supplier is always late, maybe one staff member or shift has more mistakes. This isn't about blame, it's about visibility. When you have data behind your problems, you can actually fix them. I recommend reviewing this log weekly or during your team meetings. It turns daily frustrations into measurable improvement and opportunities. Now, this is where things get exciting. This is the reorder calculator. This simple sheet helps you stop guessing when to reorder stock. Here's how it works. You enter your average daily demand, your lead time in delays, and your safety stock. The calculator then tells you your reorder point. Basically, it's the exact stock level where you need to place your next order. The formula is simple. The reorder point is just your demand times lead time plus the safety stock. What this means is that you'll never have to rely on gut feeling again. You'll know exactly when to restock to avoid running out without tying up extra cash in inventory. Then there's the shrinkage log. This is where you track losses, damaged goods, theft, or errors that lead to missing stock. Most business owners ignore this, but it's actually one of the biggest hidden costs. Every item lost is money straight off your bottom line. By logging every incident, the SKU, the date, and the reason, you can start identifying where shrinkage happens most often. Once you know the cause, you can address it, tighten procedures, improve packaging, or set accountability. This one sheet alone can save thousands over the year. And finally, there's the dead stock sheet. This one is all about cash flow. Dead stock is inventory that just isn't moving. It's sitting there, collecting dust, and tying up your working capital. Here, you list all of your slow-moving SKUs, quantities, value, and how long they've been sitting there. Once you've identified them, you can decide what to do. You discount them, bundle them, or clear them out to make space for faster-moving items. When you do this regularly, you'll start freeing up cash every single month, and that's where the real money comes back into your business. So that's the walkthrough of the Stocksavers inventory and operations template. You've got the tools here for accuracy, visibility, smarter purchasing, loss control, and freeing up cash, all inside one simple spreadsheet. If you apply this properly, you're not just organizing data, you're building a system that drives profit. And as promised, I've got something very special for you. If you're serious about growing your profits and cutting costs, and you want a proven system to do it, click the link in the description to learn more about our 90-day profit growth journey. It's our step-by-step roadmap to take back control of your inventory, simplify your operations, and start seeing results or your money back guaranteed. Right now, we're offering a special discounted price for the next 50 members. So be sure to check it out if you want to grow your profits and cut costs for your business risk-free. All you need to do is click the link in the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.